Hello and welcome to Crypto Bytes, where we provide you with the latest news and insights on the world of cryptocurrencies. Today we will be discussing a recent article about the cryptocurrency Fantom, or FTM. FTM has been on a rally for the past 5 weeks and its price has grown by 230%. Let's take a closer look at the article and see what it has to say about the future of FTM. FTM's price has been growing at a fast pace, and it's currently trading at 61 cents as of February 5. This growth can be attributed to the overall crypto market recovery and the hype created by Andre Cronje, the co-founder and architect of Fantom's blockchain. On December 26, 2022, Cronje released a 2023 roadmap for the Fantom ecosystem, which includes allowing decentralized app developers to earn 15% of the network's revenue. Despite the recent rally, the FTM market may face a correction due to a slowdown in momentum compared to its rising price. The technical analysis suggests that FTM is overbought and a possible drop in price in the short term, with a potential drop to 42 cents or 35% from its current levels. However, FTM remains bullish, as long as it stays above its 200-day exponential moving average and the 50-day exponential moving average. FTM's recent growth has been impressive, but it's important to keep an eye on the market indicators to see what the future holds. As always, it's recommended to do your own research and invest wisely. Thank you for watching and make sure to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency news and insights.